Hello, and today we'll be checking out the OpenCart Facebook Messenger chat plugin. And using this plugin, you'll be able to integrate the Facebook Messenger into your OpenCart store and can allow the customers to chat. And once you configure your Facebook page credentials, the Facebook Messenger widget will appear on the OpenCart storefront. And this plugin helps the store admin to clarify the doubts, queries, or requirements of the customers, along with the option to have a conversation with the buyers. And the buyers can even share images and attachments to validate their points. So we'll be showing you the workflow of this particular plugin at the storefront. So as you can see right now, I'm at the OpenCart web store front end. So I'll be showing you the customer workflow and then the initial configurations and the rest of the settings for this particular plugin itself. And before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates, and do give it a thumbs up if you like this particular video. So as you can see, the Facebook Messenger icon is visible on the bottom right hand corner here in the red color. So if I tap on that, that brings up the particular window of the Facebook Messenger chat itself. And when a customer is not logged in, then the successfully logged out message is being displayed here to the customer. And to log into the Messenger, you just need to tap here on the login to Messenger button that you can see. Apart from that, you can also tap here on the continue as guest button as well. So to log into the Messenger, the customer just needs to tap here on the log into Messenger button, and this particular pop-up comes up where the customer needs to enter his Facebook user ID and the password so as to log into the Messenger, so that he's able to chat with the store admin. And let's go ahead and let's tap here on the login button thereafter. So you can see that now after login, the Facebook Messenger chat window has come up, and from here the users can ask the store admin any question about any of the products that are there within the store itself. The customers can even attach files from here. For example, I can write hello admin, and I can tap here on the enter button, and this particular message would be sent out to the store admin, and the admin can check this particular one by logging into his Facebook account and or the Messenger itself, and the admin can reply back to the customer from his own Facebook Messenger there. And as I've told you, we can also add attach files using this Facebook Messenger chat. So let me show you that. So if I type here on the attachment, so I can attach an image as well. You can see that the image has been attached, and I can tap here on the send button to send this particular image as well to the admin. And if I have any queries regarding this particular product, then I can ask the admin from here, and then the admin can respond back to the customer to clarify the points that the customer wants the clarifications on, thus clearing out the doubts of the customers there very quickly there with ease using the Facebook Messenger chat plugin itself. So this is one example of the admin basically replying back to the customer. After the customer has replied to the customer, the admin can respond back to the customer using the text or the images as well. So the customer just needs to enter the query here, and he can tap again here on the send button to send that particular query to the web store admin through the Facebook Messenger, and the admin can respond back to the customer using the same. Now here at the top we have a horizontal three dots here. If I tap on that, then we have some options here. Let's come from the top. So here we have the option to end the chat. We have the option to turn off the messages. We have the option to mute the conversation, and we can also tap here on the something wrong. Apart from that, the customer can also tap here on the visit Facebook page, and tapping that would navigate the customer to the Facebook page of this particular store, and the customer can also add the Messenger to his website as well. So tapping the end chat would basically end the chat, and if the customer taps here on the turn off messages, then the messages would not be allowed to be sent out. And here you can see that you have turned off the messages, and you can't message them, and you won't receive any of their messages. So to turn on the messages, you just need to tap here once again on the turn on messages button, and now you will be able to send and receive the messages through this Facebook Messenger chat plugin that we have. And now coming to the other options that we have. So we are done with end chat, turn off messages, then we have the mute conversation. So if we tap this particular button, this will allow the customers to keep or what we say as so if I mute this particular thing here, if I tap here on the I had muted this particular conversation. To unmute, I can tap here on the unmute button. To mute the conversation, I can just tap here on the mute conversation button, and this basically allows you to effectively ignore Facebook Messenger messages from the admin, and you won't be receiving notifications when the person sends you a new message, but those messages will continue to be listed in your Facebook Messenger conversation list with a mute icon next to them. So whenever the admin message comes in, you won't be notified, but you'll be able to see those messages, and that particular conversation list will have a mute icon next to it. Then for example, if I type here on the mute conversation, we have muted this particular conversation. Now to unmute it, I just need to tap here on the unmute conversation button. After that, let's go to this visit Facebook page. So let me tap on the visit Facebook page, and basically you'll be able to see that we are redirected to the particular Facebook page basically, and this Facebook page is the one whose page ID has been added by the admin in the backend configuration of this particular plugin. So in the coming time, I'll just show you how we can do that, how we can add the page ID in the backend of this particular plugin itself. So basically, whenever any of the customers are going to tap here on this particular visit Facebook page, they'll be navigated to the admin's created Facebook page, whose page ID has been added by the admin in the backend panel itself. So here you can see that we are here on the Webkul OpenCart page there that was created by the OpenCart Web Store admin himself. Now if I tap here again, we have the something's wrong. So if you're facing any issues using the particular thing here, then you can tap here on the something's wrong, and this would allow you to basically send your feedback so as to let know that something's not right. And from here you can basically you can let know that if something's going on, and you can basically choose any of these options that we have here. You can also, for example, if I tap here on the fraud or scam, you can also describe the type of scam that it is, and you can tap the send feedback to send the feedback to the Facebook one there. And to cancel it out, just tap here on the cancel button. Then after that, we have the add messenger to your website option. So basically on clicking on this particular button, the customer would be navigated to the add messenger to website page. So let me tap here on the add messenger to your website button. So here you can see that we have been redirected to the Facebook for Business, and after that, so those were all the options there. And to end the chat, you just need to tap here on the end chat option that we have. So if I tap here on the end chat, you'll have to confirm that you'll be logged out of the messenger from in this particular chat. And if I tap here on the confirm button, we'll be logged out, and we can see a successfully logged out in message that was there. And we can again log in by tapping here on the continue as Webkul button, and the conversation of that particular thing would again pop up in front of the customer there. So these were the options here, and now let's see how the admin can see these Facebook Messenger chat queries that the customer has asked the admin. So for that, let me show you. So this is how the admin can see the messages within his Facebook account. So he'll have to log into his account, and he'll have to go to his inbox here, as you can see, and here he'll find his the messenger itself and the messages from the customers. And from here the admin can tap here on the text box that you can see at the bottom, and can make a reply back to the customer very easily. So here you can see again I've logged into my Facebook account for the admin there for his web shop, and if I tap here on the message icon, here you can see uh, the queries that the customer has asked. I had sent hello admin, I had sent this image, and I had sent want to know how good the product durability is. Now from here the admin can reply back to the customer, yes please, I'll assist, and he can send the message by tapping here on the enter button. So this message would be sent out to the user who had sent the message, and from here the admin can also attach a photo or a video. He can also choose a sticker, he can also make use of a GIF there, and he can also make use of the emoticons as well. So let me show you that. So I can send emojis as well, and we can also attach an image. Let's attach the same image once again from the admins and as well. So I'll just attach this one, and the image has been added. Let's tap here on the send button to send the image back to that particular customer. So that's how the admin can reply back to the particular customer's query using the Facebook Messenger chat. And one more thing is there. Right now I'm at the customers end again at the storefront, and you can see the images that I've sent out to the admin here. Basically you can see that it says seen here. So the images have been seen by the admin, and here you can see that the response from the admin is also visible here to the customer in the Facebook Messenger chat itself. So this was the last message that I had sent out, and this one is the admin's reply, yes please I'll assist, an emoji and image that the admin sent out to the customer. So basically that's how this particular Facebook Messenger chat helps the customers to ask their queries to the OpenCart store owners using the Facebook Messenger chat plugin that we have created. Now let's hop onto the admin backend panel and let's see what different configuration settings are there for this particular plugin. So I'll be logging into my admin backend panel by entering my username and my password. So after the successful installation of this particular plugin, you need to navigate through extensions and then extensions. Then you need to choose modules, and here we'll be navigating to our Facebook one. So here's the Facebook Messenger chat plugin. So you need to tap here on the edit button, and that brings up this particular section as you can see. And here you have the option to enable or disable this functionality there of the Facebook Messenger chat. You can set up the you have to enter your Facebook page ID. You can check the user guide for more details about how to create a Facebook page and how to get the page ID. And then you just need to save that page ID here. You can change the messenger theme color. So the messenger icon that we were seeing on the bottom right hand corner had the color red. So you can change the color from here, and as per the color that you've chosen here would then be reflected at the storefront as well, or for the messenger icon there. So whichever color you have chosen, that would be visible on the Facebook Messenger icon. So I've chosen this color here. So if I go to the storefront, you can see the color has changed into the color that I'd chosen there. All right, so let's minimize this. Let's go back, and here you can set up the welcome message that's successfully logged in, and this message is displayed on the messenger when a user accesses the site itself. And we have the logout message as well, and this is displayed on the messenger when the user is not logged in to the Facebook. So you can set that message from here. It's a custom message. You can set it as per your own requirement there. And lastly, you just need to tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings for this plugin. That's the OpenCart Facebook Messenger chat plugin. So you can check our user guide, and within that we have shown how to get the Facebook page ID. And for that, the admin just needs to log into his Facebook account. Then he needs to create a new page, and after he has created the page, then he needs to select the page whose page ID the admin needs. And after selecting the required page, the admin will navigate to the about section of that particular page from the left hand panel here of that particular page, and at the end there's the page ID. And under more info, you'll have the page ID. This page ID is to be set up in the admin backend configurations here. And apart from that, let's go back. And you also need to add your OpenCart store to your Facebook page, and for that you can check the complete steps here. So on the Facebook page, the admin needs to navigate to his settings on the top, and after that, on the settings page in the left navigation drawer here, the admin needs to select the messenger platform, and here he'll have to go to the whitelisted domains, and under the general settings he'll have to go to the whitelisted domains, and here the admin can add multiple domains on which the messenger needs to be active, and accordingly you can add multiple domains there as well as per your own requirement. So that was much about the plugin itself, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of this particular plugin. And please do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon to receive the latest updates, and do give it this particular video a thumbs up if you like the video. And apart from that, if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then kindly reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can basically reach back to us via webkul.uvidesk.com by creating a ticket there, or you can contact us via www.webkul.com/contact. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.